today DK Textile has launched this kind of beautiful two-tone cotton three-piece variety. We already selling these two-tone cotton kurtis in, you can see in our catalog. You can do video call and see. Today only the running sizes, the most running sizes in the market are XL. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. I am your friend Sugandh, and one more time DK Textile has this kind of beautiful three pieces varieties in cotton. If you are a business owner or you are trying to start your business, then DK Textile will be the best place who will give you varieties which will set up your business and you can earn 2x 3x margin. What is this variety? So today DK Textile has launched this kind of beautiful two-tone cotton three piece variety. We already selling this two-tone cotton kurtis in, you can see in our catalog. You can do video call and see. We already selling kurtis, but due to customer demand we have launched three piece in the same two-tone cotton, in which you will get this kind of kurti with this kind of beautiful pant. Look at this beautiful pant and this kind of 2.5 meter original length dupatta, and the rate is very genuine, only 400 rupees. Yeah, you have heard it right. This is the best cotton, that's why the rate is also very genuine. We are the manufacturer. We selfly produce this kind of variety by dyeing printing from the mill, and these kind of prints are, look at this, I am putting my nail inside and you can see there nothing will be happen on my nail or nothing will be happen on the print. So you can also sell this kind of variety, and look at the fabric. This is the thicker fabric. I have put my hand inside and you can see there is nothing will be visible from here. And if you are want to purchase from us, then our salesman number is given on the description. You can purchase this kind of bundle to bundle. We don't give single pieces. Our minimum order is of 10,000 or 40 pieces. In every bundle you will get multicolor combo. Yeah, you have heard it right. You have to purchase just one bundle and you will get this kind of multiple color, and sizes will be XL and double XL. So this will be the best thing for you, that you will get multiple color combo option, and all day only the running sizes, the most running sizes in the market are XL and double XL. So you will get this kind of variety in the running sizes, and I will show you the very a few detailing of this variety. Like in the neck you will get this kind of just simple and sober looking this kind of putty variety with this kind of buttons inside, and you can see this is the XL size, and as per XL size this Parma is bigger as compared to regular market. Look at the beautiful two-tone variety, and the neck finishing you can see there is also a canvas in the neck, so the thickness of the this collar is very beautiful. You can see the neck is looking very strict and hard because because canvas. So this is the small thing that DK Textile will choose as compared to other person who are selling this variety, because you can see the beautifulness of this variety. These are 2 or 5 rupees thing, but will make look better of this variety. And look at the pant. This pant is also original Pharma pant. You can see the length of the pant, how beautiful it looks. And the kurti is also original 44 length kurti. Our minimum order is of 10,000. So you are also looking to purchase the varieties in bulk. We have kurti starting from rupees 90 only. Yeah, you have heard it right. 90 only. Sort of starting from rupees 80 only. So this kind of variety will be the top selling variety. Look at every print has its unique, because we only deal in selected prints only, and this type of variety will be the top selling variety in your upcoming retail counter. So what are you waiting for? Call our salesman and get updated catalog, in which you will see 1000 plus varieties in single place. So in single house these all are sample varieties. You can see we have lots of variety, and this kind of bundle to bundle, this one piece will weight 1 to 1.5 kgs, and this whole bundle is approximate 4 to 5 kg bundle, because this piece is very much thicker. We only choose good quality material. So you also want to join with the biggest manufacturers, and join with DK Textile. Our address is given on the description. You should compulsory visit, so you will get a feeling of what variety we sell, what are the thickness, what are the quality, what are the material of the variety. And if you want to order from home, COD facility available, video call available. And don't go anywhere else. Connect directly with our salesman and purchase many more variety. Minimum order is 10,000. See you in another video with one more variety. Till that, thank you.